We're here in Leavenworth, Kansas, taking a look at one of our LP Smartside jobs on Shawnee Plaza in Leavenworth. So LP Smartsiding is a hard board, it's an engineered board. If you get close here, you can see the wood grain on it. It's impact resistant, it's realistic wood texture. It's a great product. I actually have it on my last two houses myself. This version of it here is called Expert Finish. So it's a 50-year product, 50-year warranty with a 15-year paint warranty. So for 15 years, it's fully covered for any fading, and it's a replaceable product. It's a great product. This job was about a 200 square job, and it is what, a 3-story building. So we had all the siding, the trim, and came out really looking nice. Good looking job, great product by Louisiana Pacific Smartsiding. Just kind of wanted to come in a little bit closer. So we used a 6-inch trim on this, 6-inch white trim with a 6-inch reveal here. So this would be an 8-inch product with a 6-inch reveal on this lap siding. I wanted to point out, this is standard, to flash the top of the window, and then on the bottom it's flashed before we put on the trim. Again, a great looking product, 50-year warranty, it's hard to beat. So when you're ready for the last siding job that you're ever going to need on your home, call Danny at 913-703-3000. Look forward to working with you.